That's it. It's Hogmanay. We've made it through another year. We're going to say goodbye to 2023. Good riddance for some of us. Let's look forward to 2024. What have we got? Put your dancing shoes on. Happy New Year. We have got pink grapefruit and lemongrass, and there's only one thing that we can do with this. It's got to be in one of those. So we're sharing this one. So give it a little shake as well. It's got real fruit in it, so it needs to have a little shake before you pour it in. Bang! Happy New Year, Hogmanay, everybody. Here's to 2024. Cheers.